This is the Diablo Steel Demon. It's a 4.5-inch 40 grit flap disc that you use basically for grinding and polishing metals. It kind of combines both steps simultaneously, grinding and polishing, as you'll see later in this video. Now I'm sharpening these blades because dull blades will slow your mower down. Not only will it slow your mower down, it'll leave your lawn looking like it's browning and you'll see all of these shredded grass tips. Once you grind it on both sides, you want to balance it and make sure you didn't remove too much from one side or the other. This also will give you a nice even cut. So now the question is, you just replaced your grinding pad. You've done some sharpening, you've done some balancing, but how many times should you do this per year? I cut somewhere in the area of 45 to 55 times a year. So, which means that I should be sharpening my blade at least every 20 cuts. So you want to sharpen at least every 20 cuts. And look how sharp those blades are. And now I'll start with this rusted one and start sharpening it. Did you know Honda is the only manufacturer to offer their style or their version of twin blade mowing? They kind of overlap each other. They call it the micro cut twin blade system. And it's supposed to give you the ultimate mowing performance, which it seems to do very well. They say it cuts grass into smaller pieces, and because they don't have a discharge system in the Honda HRX 217, in theory, the clippings then circulate around the inside of the deck while the blades continue to cut them into smaller and smaller pieces. It seems to work well. So if you're mulching, smaller pieces fall into the line. If you're bagging, smaller pieces go into the bag and you can seems to fit more things in there. Now that my blades are razor sharp, I'm ready to cut.